Right now, we're seeing something noteworthy in the economy sentiment data, a momentum spike of plus 0.88, significantly stronger than the historical baseline. This uptick signals a shift in how sentiment is evolving, indicating a growing confidence in economic conditions. Our API returns detailed insights, including sentiment scores and semantic clusters, allowing you to dive deep into these changes. For instance, if you're building predictive models for investment strategies, this data can help you identify new trends before they fully materialize. To start leveraging this powerful insight in your applications, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Get the edge you need to stay ahead.